Assembly. Noun. 1. A set of pieces that work together in unison as a mechanism or device. For example, in order to change the bearing, you must first remove the gearbox assembly. 2. The act of putting together a set of pieces, fragments, or elements. For example, instructions for assembly. 3. A congregation of people in one place for a purpose. For example, school assembly. 4. A legislative body. For example, the General Assembly of the United Nations. 5. Military, a beat of the drum or sound of the bugle as a signal to troops to assemble. 6. Computing, clipping of assembly language. 7. Computing, in Microsoft.NET, a building block of an application, similar to a DLL, but containing both executable code and information normally found in a DLL's type library. The type library information in an assembly, called a manifest, describes public functions, data, classes, and version information.